Hey everyone, welcome back to Gifty's Kitchen Delights. For today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to make shrimp tacos. These tacos are so flavorful and it's seasoned perfectly. It can be done in less than 30 minutes and it's also topped with some red cabbage slaw and a cilantro lime ranch. It's super delicious. So let me show you how to make it. Start off by seasoning the shrimp. I got 1 pound of large shrimp that is cleaned and patted dry with a paper towel. To season the shrimp, you need half a teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon onion powder, half a teaspoon garlic powder, half a teaspoon paprika, and salt to taste. Add the seasoning to the shrimp. Add in 1.5 teaspoon of olive oil. Mix till well combined and set aside to marinate. Meanwhile, let's make the cabbage slaw. You will need half of a red cabbage. Shred the cabbage into thin slices. Roughly chop about 7 sprigs of cilantro and add it into the bowl of shredded cabbage. Next, add in about 2 shredded carrots. You can shred the carrots in a food processor or use a store-bought shredded carrot. Squeeze in the juice of half of a lime and add in 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix this till it's well incorporated. Set this aside. Now let's cook the shrimp. Place a frying pan over medium heat and add in about a tablespoon of olive oil. Add the shrimp to the pan and cook the shrimp for about 3 minutes on each side, or till the shrimp is well cooked. Transfer the shrimp into another bowl or plate. Now, in another pan on medium to low heat, toast the tortillas to your preference. Make sure to not burn the tortillas. I'm using flour tortillas, but corn tortillas can be used as well. Now let's make the ranch. In a bowl of 1/3 cup of sour cream, add in about 5 sprigs of chopped cilantro. Add 1 tablespoon of water and squeeze in the juice of half of a lime. Then finally add in 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Stir this till it's well combined. Now let's assemble the tacos. Spoon in the cabbage slaw onto the tortillas. Add in the shrimp. And top it off with a cilantro lime ranch. These tacos are super delicious. The crunch from the cabbage, the flavor of the shrimp, and the cilantro lime ranch make these tacos taste amazing. If you enjoyed watching this recipe video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. You can also find all of my links down below, and I'll see y'all soon with a new recipe video. Thanks for watching. Bye!